What's cracking, folks? I'm the Credit Savage. Hope you're having a good day. Before I go any further, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It'll cost you absolutely nothing, and it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. So, very excited to make this video today because this is the reason. What is in here, you ask? It is the United Explorer card. It is a Chase Code branded card. Main reason I wanted to get it is because I do know traveling is going to resume at some point in the future. So I'm trying to just set myself for those days when we're able to travel freely once again. It is a card that I was actually looking to get, and nothing has changed as far as the order in which I'm going to get my credit cards. Only get a credit card when you're able to make the minimum spend, and that money is going to be something you were going to buy anyways. It makes absolutely no sense to me to get a credit card and to meet the minimum spend. You'll just start spending money on unnecessary stuff that you were not going to get in the first place. In which case, what you're doing is just wasting money. And the main reason why I got this card is because tax season is upon us. I have to pay some money in taxes, and boom, here it is. All right, here goes nothing. So in the interest of full disclosure, I did open this up beforehand because, I had to do the Sharpie thing. And I also had to, erase a couple of things in here that have some sensitive information. But you guys know the deal. Anyhow, so here it is. Bam! My nice, beautiful United Explorer card. Yeah, here it is. Nice metallic blue. I like it. Here it is, I've been waiting for this puppy for a while. I do have some, taxes coming up. So this is going to be perfect. I'm going to pay my taxes and get some free miles while at it. So that's the way you got to do it when it comes to credit cards. Is if you have some spend coming up, use them so that you can meet that minimum spend, get those miles. Never chase the miles, let the miles come to you. That's my motto. So here we go. This is a United Explorer card explaining to me what. First check bag free. So that's good because myself and a companion will be able to check our bags for free. That's an awesome thing, because my wife and I always travel together with our kids. So that's going to cut down easily on $120 to $240, maybe even $360 in a year. So this card already paid for itself, although it has no annual fee the first year. It does have a $95 fee every year after, but that's no problem because I'm actually looking to keep this card since I do travel with United a lot. I'm very excited about that because this is going to cut costs for sure. It does come with priority boarding pass privileges, so that's a plus. Only the elite status level people are going to go before us, and then boom, we can get in. So 2 miles for every dollar spent on United purchases. This comes with 2 United Club one-time passes, so that's kind of cool. I'm definitely going to get some use out of that. No foreign transaction fees. That's like one of the main rules is always get a card that has a no foreign transaction fee, and that's, boom, takes care of that. What else comes in here? The United Explorer card membership guide. That's kind of cool. It's probably just telling me the perks, that come attached to this card. If you really want to, get into the nitty-gritty of what the card offers, I suggest you go, and Google the United Explorer card and see in more detail some stuff that you may want to know, getting to the nitty-gritty of things. But as of right now, I'm just glancing at things. So that's kind of cool. This is just telling me, my agreement and that I agree to, not game the system. Card agreement, rates and fees. So obviously, this is a annual fee card, and it's just telling me your first year is going to be free, then $95 fee. If I want to take some, I guess, if I want to make a cash advance, what the fees are, and if I do have a late payment, which never make a late payment. If you know me, you know that I absolutely hate late payments. That's unnecessary. Just know your finances. Keep up with your payments. That's like number one thing, number one rule. All right, so this is just some more policies from Chase. So that's kind of cool. And then these are the guide to the benefits. Boom, there it is. So there you have it, guys. My beautiful co-branded Chase Explorer card, ready for use. I'm excited to use it. We are going to get through this. The coronavirus is not going to be, a forever thing. So I definitely believe that if you start getting ready now for future travel, that's best. That's pretty much it. So let's get to it. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of this beautifulness right here. I can't wait to try it. The coronavirus is not a forever thing. Traveling will get back to normal. We will be able to do our thing the way we did it, previously. And so it's just all a matter of time. If you're interested in traveling later on, don't start 2-3 months before you travel. Start now. This is the time to start saving up, racking up your points, making sure that you stack 100, 200, even 300,000 traveling points through, UR, MR, and obviously, airlines. That's a great way to set yourself up for in the future. You probably won't even have to pay for flights for a while. And remember, this is why we do it. So that when everything gets back to normal, we can travel at our leisure. Anyhow, I'm the Credit Savage. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And remember, cash is king, but credit is power.